Hey, back again to my new video guys. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX and this is a Redmi Note 7 Pro. Today in this video I'm going to discuss about this Bliss ROM 14.7 latest version on this Redmi Note 7 Pro with September security patch, and this is the build date, and the kernel used here is the Azure kernel. And as you can see, it's with 5th September 2021 latest security patch, and this is the build date, and the kernel used here is the Azure Guns Blazing Plus 4.14.12 kernel, August build kernel, which is really good. Yes, I will be comparing Call of Duty, Free Fire and even the BGMI games, so watch till the end of the video. I will be posting the gaming review at the end of the video such that you will understand how is the performance using this Bliss ROM with Azure kernel. And straight away I will go into this Bliss OS version 14.7 Android 11. Here you get customization settings. Let me go into the settings here. This is a quick settings panel you get. If you want, you can enable some of the other features like these things: invert colors, data saver, night light, hotspot, ambient display, always on display, caffeine. These things, even screenshot, if you drag like this, it get added. And this is how the quick settings panel. All the toggles are working fine, no problem in the toggle section. And coming to dialer settings, let me show you. You get direct video call feature from this ROM, no need to worry. And even the call recording feature is still missing. If it had, it would be better, but anyhow you can use any third-party applications and get your ANX camera here. As you can see, all the 48 megapixel mode, all the things are working fine, no problem in the camera department. If you want, you can use any Gcam ports, no need to worry in that respect. And coming to safety and status, here it get passed, no need to worry in that section. Also it's get passed. You can use any payment applications like GPay, any other payment applications, you can definitely try it out, no problem in this ROM. And even WhatsApp, everything is working fine. MyJio application, all the applications are compatible in this ROM. And coming to DRM info, here I will show you level 1 certified. It's good to see level 1 certified on this ROM. You can use any OTT applications. Watching HD content is not a problem. FM radio is also pre-installed in this ROM. And coming to like Geekbench scores, here is the wonderful thing that you will see in this ROM, which is 495 single score and 1383 multi-score. If it would have been above 500 and this 1500, it would have been better, but anyhow it's still good. I will be playing this BGMI, Call of Duty and Free Fire Max, and do mention down below which is your favorite game and how you will play, in which ROM is very good of these games. Do mention it out in the comment section below, and I will be making the gaming videos. Recorded gameplay will be added at the end of the video, and I already made several videos on this channel regarding the Redmi Note 7 Pro custom ROMs. Do check out. Here is the playlist I will be adding here, and if you're still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, head down to subscribe down below and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like also. And straight away I will go into the settings here. First thing I want to show you is the security settings. You get screen lock, fingerprint lock, face unlock. In face unlock you can choose app sign in and payments. Here you can, if you enable, it will ask you to unlock with face, and also allow face unlock when screen is turned on. You can enable or disable here, and even you can skip the lock screen. And redo for scan and delete face data, that's there. And app locker is also pre-installed. And let me show you the speeds here. It's fast, very fast, definitely it's fast. And let me show you the face unlock, it's also fast. And coming to this, how the ROM performance, it's really good. And in the settings you get this Blissify settings. Here you can change everything. First thing is status bar, you have plenty of options here. And coming to even the Blissify in the QS panel and in the quick settings panel, you have plenty of options here. You can change each and everything according to your taste. Even this navigation settings also there, and lock screen settings are also included here. Plenty of options, you can read it out. Many customization are available. And even in the themes section, the system settings, you get themes, animations, volume panel style, double tap to sleep and click to partial screenshot, that is also there. Aggressive battery, those settings are there. Gaming mode also added, you can definitely try it out. Dynamic mode, disable automatic, so many options are given even in the gaming mode also. Plenty of options you can choose. This is the Blissify settings. And coming to battery settings, here you get battery tweaks as a setting. You can sleep mode or enable that thing. Battery saver is given, extreme battery saver is given, turn off when charged at 90%, that is also given. Everything is given in this ROM, which is really good. It's close to Evolution X ROM, but a little bit of tweaking and difference in the ROM interface is definitely there. You can change the accent colors and everything. Those things are present in this ROM, which is really good. The battery life is also good. The idle battery run is there 1% to 2%, but it is very normal in my opinion. And CPU throttling test also I will show, and the gameplay of each and individual games are also going to be shown in this video in the coming part. And coming to CPU throttling test, as you can see, I am already running it out over 4 minutes. The excellent performance you can get from this Azure kernel, which is really good. The performance, the peak performance, as you can see, it's really good. There is no throttling whatsoever. I hope the gameplay will be also that much better with this Azure kernel in this Bliss ROM. What they did with the software optimization, I don't know. The performance is really good, at least in this application. Let's see how does it really perform on the gameplay. I'll stop here, and as you can see, the average performance and everything is really good. And I will also show you the speed test here with this ROM. I have here like 100 Mbps plan with my GeoFiber connection, and it's pulling up to 95, which is really good. No problem in this ROM. And you also get this kind of volume panel, and I will show you with mobile internet connection how is the speeds here. It depends upon your location. As you can see, I am getting here 4G plus, and the speeds are okay type, 9 Mbps, 10. It sometimes even pulls up to 20 Mbps, which is really good. No problem in the mobile internet connection also. And even the earpiece quality, headphone jack problem, no problem, such problems in this ROM. No echo type while making calls, no such problems even with Bluetooth speaker and Bluetooth earphones. The latency will be definitely there with Bluetooth earphones. Don't expect like wired earphones, but it's no problem with this ROM. It's problem with any ROM. It depends upon Bluetooth and earphone jack. It's everything is working fine in this ROM. As you can see, it's smooth. The UI is also very smooth, scrolling between the apps and even the multitasking. Everything is smooth in this ROM, which is really good. The RAM management is also good. You can definitely try it out as a daily driver. Even this, I will call it as a performance based ROM. And if you still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe down below and also allow the bell notification. Thank you for watching. See you in the another interesting video. Bye bye for now.
Target's in sight.
Taking the lead. We're tied for the lead. Taking the lead.
Down! Enemy down! Reloading! Cover me! Tango down! Grenade, run!
UAV recon ready for deployment. Hunter killer drone on standby.
Target's in sight! Need backup! Need backup! Contact with
Missile
enemy!
on standby.
Cover me! Enemy contact! Enemy down! Contact! Tango down! Reloading! Enemy down! Target down! Enemy contact! Contact with enemy! Enemy contact! Contact with enemy! Changing mag! Enemy contact! Target down! Tango down! Reloading! Cover me! Enemy down! Contact with enemy! Target down! Enemy contact! Need backup! Contact with enemy! Enemy down! Need backup! Tango down! Enemy contact! Enemy down! Reloading! Reloading! Need backup! Tango down! Grenade! Down!
On them. We're winning this one.
Reloading! Headshot! Contact with enemy! Target's in sight! Enemy contact! Reloading!
Online.
Need backup! Tango
Recon
down!
standing by. Repeat. UAV recon is standing by. UAV online.
Target down! Need backup! Target down! Reloading! Cover me! I'm hurt! Target down! Target down! Enemy down!
No mercy! Nice shot! Expired! Reloading! Target down!
Killing spree for the blue team! blue team is in the lead.
Enemy down!
Killing spree for the blue team!
No mercy! Cover me! Target down! Dead! Reloading! Expired! Nice shot!
Killing spree for the blue team!
Reloading! No mercy! Clear! Cover me! Great! You're about to win!
The blue team is heading to a perfect win!
Dead! Reloading! Cover me! Blue team victory!